Next one, digestion in small intestine. The stomach is followed by the small intestine. It is divisible into three portions. They are duodenum, jejunum, ileum. In the region of duodenum, liver and pancreas are connected to the alimentary canal. Liver and gallbladder. Liver is the largest gland in our body. It secretes bile and it is stored in gallbladder. Gallbladder is attached to the bile duct. This bile duct opens in the duodenum. Bile contain bile salt and bile pigments. The bile salt lower the surface tension of water, thereby emulsifying and saponifying the fats. Emulsification. This is a diagram of liver and pancreas. Both have one opening to the duodenum. Liver secrete bile salt, pancreas secrete pancreatic lipase. Pancreatic lipase cannot react directly on fat. The bile salt reduces the surface tension of water and can change the fat into creamy liquid with tiny particles. Then the pancreas lipase react with the tiny lipid particles. This is the diagram of pancreas. Pancreas is a leaf-like digestive gland. It secretes pancreatic juices. It opens into the duodenum through a pancreatic duct. It secretes 5 enzymes. They are trypsin, carboxypeptidase, chymotrypsin, pancreatic amylase, pancreatic lipase. In this chart, the enzyme and which macronutrients the enzyme will convert. Enzymes, first one is trypsin. It converts protein and peptones into polypeptides. Carboxypeptidase convert polypeptides into amino acid. Chymotrypsin, it helps in digest milk protein. Pancreatic amylase converts starch into maltose. Pancreatic lipase convert emulsified fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Next, enzymes secreted in small intestine and their functions. Trypsin convert peptones and polypeptides molecule into amino acid. Maltase convert maltose into glucose. Lactase convert lactose into glucose. Sucrase convert sucrose into glucose. Lipase convert emulsified fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Fructase convert fructose into glucose. After the digestion of the food, next is absorption of food. Absorption is done by the villi. It is present in the small intestine. Ileum has numerous minute fingers like projection called villi. It has a network of blood capillaries and lymph capillaries. Glucose, amino acids, vitamins, minerals and water are absorbed by the blood capillaries. Fatty acid and glycerol are absorbed by the lymph capillaries or laterals. This is the diagram of a villi and the projection. That green part is the lymph vessel, lymph capillary, and the red part is blood capillaries. Now you can easily identify the macronutrients and how it is absorbing. Glucose, amino acid, vitamins, minerals, water. It is absorbed by the blood capillaries. Fatty acid and glycerol will absorb by the lymphatic vessel. or lymph capillaries. Absorption of nutrients which happening in three different ways. First one is diffusion, second facilitated diffusion, and active transport. Diffusion. Molecules move higher concentration to lower concentration. Facilitated diffusion. Carrier protein transport molecules from one side of the cell membrane to another. Next one, active transport. Transport molecules by using energy. Thank you.